Hey guys, what's going on? Jack Scalfani here. It's Cooking with Jack Show. Basically, we've got 2 big bowls of these meatballs that I had got out of the freezer. I want to cook them up because they're going to expire in a few weeks, and I'm going to make some meatball enchiladas right now. So, or lazy man meatball enchiladas. This is going to be really easy. You guys ready? Come on in. Once again, lazy recipe. You got the frozen meatballs. So before I use these in my, I'm going to make like a casserole dish with these meatballs. I'm going to brown these up in pan with a little bit of oil. I like my meatballs to have an outer crust, so I'm going to toss these around in a hot frying pan for a little bit before I use them in my casserole dish. Then I'm going to use red enchilada sauce, do some onion powder, taco seasoning, and Mexi cheese, okay? And I think that's it, right? All right, I got a lot of meatballs, so I'm making 2 batches. One batch is gonna go to Tammy's work, and all the workers are gonna feast off that. One will stay here at the house. But I gotta get rid of these meatballs because I don't want them going bad on me. So, this is what we're gonna do. Pour your sauce in a bowl, your 1 can of sauce. Just gonna pour some onion powder in the mix. There we go. Some taco seasoning, gonna pour that in the mix. Just gonna mix this up. Meatballs are almost ready. So we're just gonna get that all mixed in. I did a little olive oil spray. There we go. There we go. This is 1 batch. Okay, so we're going to spread the meatballs out. We're going to start pouring. Grip of cheese. Put that about, I'm going to put it at 350 until the cheese looks melted and slightly golden brown, okay? Let's let this cool off a little bit. We'll try it out, and we'll go get the other tray for Tammy's work. It's all coming out good. Not a lot of juice. Well, I mean, you have plenty of juice, but you do have juice. There we go. Got a lot of cheese. Yep, it's cooled off good. This is something inexpensive my mom would have made. Would have fed us for 1 or 2 nights. Try this one. All the meatballs are marinated in that enchilada sauce. Got that Mexican flavor. Love it. Yeah. Real good. All right, let me put the rest back. I'm going to wrap this up for tonight's dinner. Gave it a try. I gave it a big thumbs up. Took seconds to put together. Will feed a lot of people. Kind of help you stretch that dollar, all right? I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.